Rhythm with Jay.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Welcome back. How's your day going? I hope it's nice so far. I'm excited to drum with you again. Are you excited? I hope so. Before we gotta drum, like usual, we gotta warm up. And today, I want to warm up like a lion. Do you guys know what a lion is? It's an exotic animal. There's lions all over the world in different kinds of places. And you know how lions walk? They often walk like this. They move their shoulders a lot. It goes like this. Can you move your shoulders like this with me? We're going to warm up our shoulders before we do some drumming. And then you can imagine that you're walking your hands on the ground like a lion. And as you keep going, begin to lift your arms up higher. And really make big movements with your arms. And then you can add in opening up your mouth like a lion. Ow, ow. Warming up your jaw and your neck. Getting lots of movement. This is a good way to warm up your body, walking like a lion. Okay, how do you feel now? A little looser in the shoulders? A little open up in the mouth and the neck? Now, we're ready to get to some drumming. You guys remember what drumming is? Drumming is playing instruments with rhythms. So we stroke drums, and we make rhythms. And remember, drums can really be anything. We could stroke drums with our hands. We could play pieces of wood. We could even stomp our feet, tap our knees. There's all kinds of different ways to drum. And there's all types of different drums all over the world. Can I show you some cool drums? Let me show you. I want to show you, first of all, this little drum. You see this little drum? You know where this drum came from? South Africa. That's pretty far away. And this drum is called a djembe. Can you say djembe? Djembe. And it's spelled D-J-E-M-B-E. Djembe. Pretty cool, hey? That little djembe really is kind of just a representation of this bigger djembe. Whoa! Look how big this drum is. And I want to tell you a little bit about this drum. So this drum is made out of wood. And you know how they make it? They take a big tree trunk and they cut a hole in it because the drum is hollow. Look, can you see inside? Oh, it's cool. It's pretty heavy too. And then they carve designs on it. And then they take all of these strings. You see these string ropes here? And what these strings do is they pull the drum head tight down over the wooden shell. This is the drum head. Pretty cool. A lot of times, these are made of plastic. But traditionally, these were often made from the hide of an exotic animal. And we wouldn't hunt or kill animals just to make drums. We don't want to be aggressive towards animals. And we don't want to kill animals. But when animals die, we like to use their bodies for good use. That's kind of a resourceful way to live. So a lot of times in Africa and in different continents and countries, they'll take the hide of an animal and use it for the drum head. And that's how we get these big, beautiful djembe drums. Now, I know you guys might not have a djembe drum at home. So you know what else can act like a djembe drum? A piece of Tupperware. So can you or somebody who's close to you go grab a piece of plastic Tupperware? Could be a bigger piece like this, or it could be a smaller piece like this. It doesn't really matter. But you see how these are kind of the same as a djembe? This part is like the drum head. And then this side part is like the wood. And then we can use these and the djembe to play rhythms. So let's think of some more exotic animals that we might see out in nature. One I can think of, because we already warmed up like it, is a lion. Can you say lion? Whoa, good job. A lion is a big cat. And sometimes they have big hair around their necks. How do you spell lion? Lion is spelled L-I-O-N. And what's the sound that a lion makes? Lions go, roar. Can you make the sound of a lion? Roar. Oh, good job. Let's make some rhythms out of this lion. So grab your drum, your plastic piece of Tupperware, and we'll tap on the bottom for our rhythm. Let's do a rhythm like this. I'll go first, and then you go. Ready? L-I-O-N. Okay, now let's try together. Here we go. L-I-O-N. Woo, good job. This time when we play the rhythm, let's add the lion sound at the end. So it'll go like this. L-I-O-N. Roar. L-I-O-N. Roar. Oh, let's try that together. Ready? Grab your drum. L-I-O-N. Roar. L-I-O-N. Roar. L-I-O-N. Roar. L-I-O-N. Roar. Good job. That's a pretty cool lion rhythm. What other kind of exotic animals might we find in the wild? You know a big animal that I really like? An elephant. Can you say elephant? Good job. How do we spell elephant? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Woo. One more time. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. 8 letters. Whew. So we could make a rhythm like this. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Did you see that little space in the middle? In that little space, let's make the trunk of an elephant. So grab your drum. Are you ready? I'll go first, and then we'll do it together. Here we go. E-L-E-P, the trunk. H-A-N-T, the trunk. Keep going. E-L-E-P. H-A-N-T. Whoa, good job. Elephants are really cool. And can I tell you a little fact about drumming? In India, they play drums, and sometimes they play strokes that are supposed to sound like elephant feet. Can we make some of those sounds? But this time, let's play on our knees. So make your hands into big elephant feet. And then we'll play the elephant word on our knees. It'll go like this. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Let's try together. Ready? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Whoa! You feel the big elephant feet touching down on your legs? This time, let's do it, but let's add in our elephant trunk. So it'll be like this. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Are we ready to try that all together? Here we go. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Try one more time. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Good job. I want to think about one more exotic animal that we could make a rhythm out of. You know what's a cool one that you might see in the trees? A monkey. Can you say monkey? Good job. Monkey is spelled M-O-N-K-E-Y. M-O-N-K-E-Y. And you know what's a cool thing about monkeys? Is they have really long, really wild arms that they can hang around on. So can we maybe make a rhythm that looks and sounds like this? M-O-N-K-E-Y. We'll add in our monkey arms right at the end. Can you grab your drum? And we'll try it together. Ready? M-O-N-K-E-Y. Again. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey arms. One more time. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey arms. Good job. I'd like to play one more rhythm, but this time I'm going to play my djembe. Cool. And you guys will play your rhythm instrument. Whatever kind of Tupperware container you have. Let's use that word monkey. So we'll use the rhythm M-O-N-K-E-Y. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Ready? Grab your instrument. I'll start, and then you join along, and then I'll play my djembe, and you guys keep playing your drum. Ready? Here we go. M-O-N-K-E-Y. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Okay, join me. M-O-N-K-E-Y. 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 Keep going. M-O-N-K-E-Y. 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 M-O-N. Keep going. A-E-Y. Good job. M-O-N-K-E-Y. 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 Woo! Good job. Okay, we'll try one more, but let's speed it up. So it'll sound like this. Grab your drum. M-O-N-K-E-Y. 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 Play along. M-O-N-K-E-Y. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Keep going. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Here we go. M-O-N-K-E-Y. 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 Woo-hoo-hoo! Good job, everyone. Okay, that's it for today. But keep practicing with your plastic drums, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!